This is the PEBL Grand, a one-of-a-kind capsule house that redefines compact living. A futuristic cabin that breaks the rules of architecture, inspired by nature, shaped like a space capsule, fully equipped for modern life. Inside, a king-size bed, a kitchenette, a bathroom, even a sauna. Each cabin is crafted from sustainable wood, prefabricated with cutting-edge technology, and shipped anywhere in the world. Delivered in one piece or flat-packed, assembled in just a day. This is more than a cabin. It's mobility. It's sustainability. It's a new way of living. Whether deep in the wilderness, on a rooftop, or among Manhattan's skyscrapers. PEBL Grand, the future of small-scale architecture.